In this video, I'm going to show you how to unravel the limitless possibilities of Canva text to video AI by looking at the step-by-step process. You will gain a first-hand understanding of how the Canva video generator operates. Ensure you follow this process till the end, and as well, like and subscribe to this channel for more AI tools tutorials. For those using Android phone and has downloaded the Canva app into their phone, open the Canva app. Once the Canva app opens, the editor page will show up like this. Then go to where you have Magic Studio. You can see it's at the bottom right corner, of my screen. So I'll tap on Magic Studio, and once the Magic Studio interface opens, scroll down and look for where you have text to video. This is it, text to video. Then you also have to click on Try Magic Media. Then at this point, you will open the text to video generator interface for you, where you have your prompt box and where you can equally select whether it's an image you want to generate or it's a video. So we tap on the video option because we want to generate a video. Then here we will have to input our prompts. You can say a city in New York in the style of professional cinematography, natural light. Now tap on generate. The process usually might take up to 2 minutes to generate your video, so don't worry, just hold on, your video will soon be ready. As you can see, our video is ready. So we now have a city in New York with vehicles moving on the streets. Do you see how lovely it looks? So you can use this video on any of your content. Okay, let's generate another video. A white shot stands for the video style we want the generator to give us. How lovely our video has come out. Remember, we used the white shot style. We also want to generate another video focusing on the camera view style. Remember, we can generate video using this video generator in either a 360-degree view style, or we can use the drone camera style, or we can do it in a cinematic pan style. Here we are specifying the view style we want to generate a video with. This video we are generating is with a 360-degree view style, so we tap on generate. Wow, our video is ready. can see how lovely this video look. A 360-degree video is just generated. Because we want to generate a video with more stunning clarity and expansive and immersed shots. You can see how lovely our video turns out to be. So that's it for today's tutorial. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use the Magic Morph tool for text design and animation. Why not tap the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my posts? Thank you for watching.